Hello there, Evan from Telstar here. I'm going to make you a quick reference video so you can create a holiday and also create a prompt. So try to keep it short and sweet. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, make sure you got a good view, and we're good. First, I'm going to connect to my VPN here. Alright, so now I am effectively sitting at a PC at Viva Central. So I'm going to hit up my PBX at the .5, and here we are. Alright, so anytime I'm looking at anything, I'm automatically going to think of it conceptually and where are the calls going. So when they come in, we know everything except calls going to Mikkel are going to go to our schedule here. So if we check out that schedule, you can see that we have our in hours and outside of hours destination, and then we have our holidays, which is basically an override of all this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and create a holiday. We'll call it Test Day. Test Day, just to keep it simple, I'm just going to make it Christmas. So we'll say December 25th at 12 a.m. We'll go all the way to 11:45 p.m. So now, this is the important part, is that you need the destination to go to our holiday and staff meeting menu. So every time you set your holiday, make sure that you set the destination to the holiday and staff meeting menu. That's very important. Once you've done that, you hit your add. Now it's in there. You can save your changes, apply your changes. And now we have Test Day, which really is Christmas. And if you ever need to edit that, you just highlight it, make your changes, and you do set instead of add. Then you apply and save changes, all the same. So now Test Day is going to work. It's going to go between the hours of 12 a.m. and 11:45 p.m. Our caller is going to, instead of being directed through our normal call routing scheme, is going to go hit this holiday staff meeting menu. So now if we go check that guy out, we can see that this menu, there's no other destinations that they can do except listen to the prompt and then get sent to voicemail. So it's very simple setup. Right now it's set to staff meeting, so let's just for practice say that we're going to do Christmas. So change it to our Christmas prompt. We save and apply. And now, when that person calls on December 25th between the hours of 12 a.m. and 11:45 p.m., instead of being directed to normal, it's going to go to a Christmas prompt, and it's going to be sent to the voicemail after that. Now, if we ever want to make changes, we can. We could have different options. They could dial a number and go somewhere. Maybe we just want to dial a 0 and go to the conference room, for instance, for a staff meeting. So if we're having a staff meeting, maybe we want to have it able for another employee who's not involved in the staff meeting to get a hold of somebody. They can dial 0 and the phone in the conference room will ring where presumably the staff meeting is going on. Just a thought, I want to just direct you towards that while we're here. And the last final thing is that just to test your changes that you've made, so let's say we've set it to Christmas now, we've saved, we've applied, but you just want to hear that prompt, you just want to see if it's working, and maybe you just forgot what the prompt says and you want to check it out. You dial this 656. So if you dial 656, you will be sent to this menu just like a caller would be. And that is a way that you can test it. So I think that's all we needed. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know.